Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Exercise number 5.3, problem number 11, page number 113. Okay, now listen. If the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square. Are you clear? The sum of the first n terms of the AP is 4n minus n square. Actually, what it is means for the line, that is Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, right? Clear? Excuse me? Yeah. Then, what is the first term? What is the first term? So, first term means what they are asking? A1. Are you clear? Excuse me? So, first term means what they are asking? A1. What is the first term? That is Sn. Even sum of the first term is the same or not? In a AP, there is only one term. What is the sum of the first term? The same number, right? Clear? For example, 2. That is the first term of the AP. What is the sum of the first term? 2 only, no. Here A equal to 2 as well as S1 also 2, right? Are you clear? Excuse me?
Yes.
Others? Others? Ah, yes. What is the sum of the first two terms? Listen, they given a sum of the nth term sum. They given Sn is equal to 4n minus 1. Then what is the first term? They asking first term, that is A1, that is the S1, right? Next, what is the sum of the first two term? Sum of the first two term, what it is? S2, right? Clear? So they asking S2 also. What is the second term? What is the second term? Second term means what, Ra? What is the second term? Second term is what? What they asking here? A2. Very good. A2. Clear? Next. Similarly, find the third term. What is the third term? A3. Then 10th term. A10. And nth term. Nth term. 10th term. An. Clear? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now we can proceed a problem. Listen, very easiest one. So again I'll write in the problem 11th one. They said sum of the first n term, that is 4n minus n squared. Clear? They given. What is the first term? So first term they asking what is the first term? That first term is the sum of the first term is Sn, S1. That is also they asking. Are you clear? Excuse me. Next, what is the sum of the first two term? Sum of the first two term, that is A2. They asking. What is the second term? So A2 also they asking. Next, similarly, A3, third term, A10, then AN. Are you clear? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So these many values they asking, right? Clear? Excuse me, are you clear? Excuse me? Okay, now.
Clear, sir.
Now we can find a S1 and S2. What is a S1? Sn is they given. S1. So instead of n, you can put a 1. That is S1, right? Excuse me?
Sir.
4 into 1 minus 1 squared. So 4 into 1, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, what it is? 3. So S1 it means what it is, da? S1 it means what it is?
Sum of first term.
Sum of first term. So A1 also 3 or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Ra. Next, we need to find a S2. What is the S2? What is the S2?
4 into 2, sir.
Yes, S2 means what?
4.
S2 means what? Sum of the sum of the first two term, including A and A1. When we add A1 plus A2, we will get a S3, S2, right? Sum of the first two term. So we can find the A2. 4 into 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. That is S2. Are you clear, pa? Any doubt? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we found a S2. Now we found a S2. Now what is the A2? A2 is the same 5 or not?
Same, sir. 5.
Who said?
No. No, sir.
It is a sum of the first two term. Listen, listen. In this AP, A1 plus A2 is equal to S2, right? Sum of the first two term only S2. Are you clear? Excuse me, da. Here, sum of the first term, only one term is there. The sum of the one term is the same term, that is 3. Here, sum of the two term in this AP, first two term sum is A2, S2. Are you clear? Excuse me?
Sir.
Excuse me, are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, da. Therefore, A1 plus A2 is equal to S2. So, A1 what we know that here? 3.
Please.
A2, we need to find second
Five.
term. S2, 5. Are you clear or not, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now, A2 is equal to 5 minus 3. Then A2 is equal to A2 is equal to
2, sir.
2. So now we found a A1 and A2. Are you clear? Excuse me, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this AP, arithmetic progression, now we know that A1 value, A2 value. What they asking remaining? A3, A10, AN they asking. Clear? Clear? Okay now. Now I will write the arithmetic progression. So therefore the AP is first term 3, second term 2, etc. So now in this term, we need to find a A3 term. A3 we need to find. A10 we need to find. And AN also we need to find. Are you clear? Excuse me?
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. Now in this AP, how will you find a A3 term? A3. When we add some number plus some number to preceding number, you will get a A3 next number. Clear? It is A1, A2, A3 we need. How will you find A3? We need to add a common difference, right?
Yes, sir. First, we should find D, sir.
Very good. First common difference. What is the common difference here? D is equal to
Minus A1.
A2 minus A1. That is 2 minus 3. What it is? Minus 1. So D is equal to minus 1. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the
Sir.
A3? Now what is the A3 da?
Plus minus 1, sir.
2 minus 1 what it is?
1.
1. So 1 is a A3 term. That's all. Are you clear or not?
Sir.
Are you clear? Excuse me, are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
we can use the nth formula. Nth formula for finding nth term. What is the nth term? A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So in this A, 3 we need, right? A value here they given it is 3 plus 3 minus 1 into D value. D value we found it is minus 1. So A3 is equal to 3 plus 3 minus 1, 2, 2 into minus 1. So A3 is equal to 3 minus 2. So A3 is equal to
1, sir.
plus 1.
1, sir.
Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what we supposed to find? A3 we found it. Next, A10. Okay. A10 also the same formula. Nth order for nth term formula. A10 is equal to A what is it? A plus n minus 1 into D. What it is? 10 minus 1 into D. Right?
D.
A10 is equal to A value here 3.
3.
10 minus 1 9. D value
9.
D value
Minus 1.
minus 1. So A10 is equal to 3 plus 1 into 9
Minus 9.
minus 9.
Minus 9.
So A10 is equal to 3 minus 9. A10 is equal to 3 minus 9
Minus 6. Sir.
minus 6. What it is? Minus 6, right?
Minus 6. Sir.
Clear. Next, A10 also now we completed. Next, what they asking? AN. Very good. AN. So, AN is equal to, we know the formula, AN formula, what it is? A plus n minus 1 into D. So, in this formula, AN we need to find A value, what it is? 3, n minus 1, D value, da?
Minus 1. Sir.
D value?
Sir.
Minus 1.
Minus 1, sir.
Sure. Now, AN is equal to 3 plus, now we can multiply. Minus n plus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Minus 1. Sorry, minus n plus 1. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Da. Check here A10 minus 1. What will be the answer? 15. Okay. Da. Next, AN is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus n. Actually, the answer will be 5 minus 1. 2n. Somehow we did mistake. Where it is? Listen, up to this, are you all clear? Up to this, an. Then we need to find a Sn. Sn also you are clear, right? There is no mistake in Sn. Okay. S2. Actually, S2 is, we need to substitute the value of Sn they given 4n minus n. So the 4n minus n square, that is 4 into 2 minus n square, that is 2 square. So 4 to 8, 2 squared 4. So 8 minus 4, it became a 4. Clear? Clear? So S2 is 4. So S2, it means sum of the first two number. Sum of the first two number. So A1 plus A2 is equal to S2. So A1 is we found 3 plus A2 equal to S2 value is 4. Then A2 is equal to 4 minus 3. Then A2 is equal to 1. So therefore the AP is first term 3, second term 1, etc. We need to find A3, A10, AN. Clear? Clear? Excuse me? So when we want to find a A3, we need to find the D value. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is 1, 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Then D is equal to minus 2. Now we found a D value. So we can go to the A3, nth formula. You can use the nth formula to find the A3. So nth formula is A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then A3 is equal to 3 plus 3 minus 1. That is n value is also here. What it is? 3. 3 minus 1 into minus 2. So A3 is equal to 3 plus 3 minus 1. Excuse me, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into minus 2. Then A3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into minus 2 became minus 4. So A3 is equal to minus 1. Now we can find a A10. A10 also A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So A10 is equal to 3 plus 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into minus 2. Then A10 is equal to 3 plus 9 into minus 2. Minus 18. So A10 is equal to 3 minus 18. So A10 is equal to 3 minus 18 became a minus 15. So next we can find the an. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Now 3 plus minus 2n. We just multiply the distributive property. Minus 3 into n minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So now we can plus 3 plus 2. So plus 5. So an is equal to plus 5 minus 2. Are you clear? Excuse me? Are you clear? So now we can finally write, therefore the AP equal to 3, 1, A3 value what it is? A3 minus 1, etc. A10, what is the A10? Minus 15, AN 5 minus 2n. Right? Are you clear? So you just mark this one, A1, A2, A3, A10, AN. Are you all clear, ba? Any doubt? Excuse me? Any doubt? Okay. I hope in this video you make clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.